In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Roblox Gamepass, the updated version. The first thing that you need to do is open up the browser on your phone and you will search for Roblox and click on the first website that pops up right here. Now you want to select continue in browser and it might ask you to sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you will then click on create at the top, and from here you want to click on the experience which you want, the first experience that you see, and you will click on manage experience. Now from here we will click on the three lines in the top left corner and you just want to find the section for passes. Right here you will be able to see a blue button called create a pass and you have to set a name for it. I'm just going to set a name for my pass, and once it's done you can also change the picture here at the top. You will click on create pass. Now once you see the pass you will just click on it to open it up. So click on the pass itself. Now you will click on the three lines in the top left again and go into sales, and here we can actually make the pass for sale and you will set an amount which you want the pass to be sold for. Here you just click on save changes, and that's how you make a pass in Roblox Mobile and set a price for it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.